Hello. For the third installment in our mystery build series, I'd like to share this. So we have a device here. We have some angles cut on these boards, and this piece slides smoothly. Now obviously this is an incomplete build. The hint for what this is supposed to be is this. So we have one here that's broken. That should provide some hint as to what this does and how it was used. You can see the wear patterns on this block. And then here's another one made of hardwood with much fewer visible wear patterns, but you can see they are present. This should provide some hint as to the way this is used. However, if you're going to make one of these yourself, I recommend not using your valuable hardware. You may have to go into a wall to fish this back out of the wall, and it's a lot easier to just, grab onto the block itself. I'll admit that these were actually early prototypes, and what I finally reached was this design. And you'll see this is the one that I've actually used. It is a little bit busted. The way that this device functions is as an extension to my channel locks. And you'll see it fits on the channel locks very tightly and allows me to manipulate this groove. What do you think I do with this? What is the purpose of this device? You'll see I built a new one here. It has the same properties of clampability and flexibility. This one lacks the groove, so it does not fit so neatly onto my channel lock, so it doesn't remain fixed on there. But it's the same device. This is just a slightly better version. The cuts are a little bit better. Should hold up a little longer. This one's essentially destroyed, but it's been used and actually served its purpose. It does the same thing in principle that these devices do. And this is a prototype for a device that does the same thing. So what do you think these are for? Leave your answer in the comments below. Another note is that you can see this was actually made out of the end of a floorboard. So this is the groove of a floorboard that was cut off of the rest of the floorboard and utilized to build this device. What do you suppose this is for?